Hi, today is about marketing. It's just a little bit of an overview about marketing. Henry Ford talks about advertising, which is quite different really to marketing. It's a part of it, but it's not the same. And he says something along the lines of stopping your advertising is like trying to stop your watch to save time. So stopping your advertising to save money, I think is his exact words, is like stopping your watch to try to save time. It doesn't work, does it? So this is the absolute time, the next few weeks, where you really need to absolutely ramp up your marketing. You may have a bounce back loan. I know we have, and you might not have done anything with it. I mean, I'm going to be honest, we've got, I'll be very transparent, we've got £30,000 sitting in our bank account as a bounce back loan. And we've still got £30,000 sitting in our account as a bounce back loan, like just in case something happens. So, the best way of spending some of that, and I know this, and I'm going to do it as from now, put my money where my mouth is. I am going to start using that on a marketing spend, and I am going to be really noisy all over social media. Sorry, not sorry. And I am going to be spending that money because I know I can get a return back on that. And hopefully, what my aim is actually is to still end up with that £30,000 at the time when we need to start paying it back, and actually give a lot of it back. Just give it back so I don't have to pay any interest on it, even though it's only a couple of percent. But yes, so if you've got that bounce back loan sitting in your account, start to think about what you can do with it to make money. What's going to actually help you to get more patients? Is it going to be tweaking your website, doing a bit of SEO? I'm going to talk about later in the week about some free stuff that you can do on Google My Business particularly. There's some organic work you can do to organically attract new patients. There's also some paid stuff you can do to get new patients. It depends on your situation somewhat, that does. So if you've got that money, have a think today about what you may be able to spend it on. That doesn't involve the tax bill or the VAT bill, or you don't have VAT, or anything else along those lines, and see where you can think of what you can do with it. I think last week I also said as well, there's a great statement about, are you playing to win or are you playing not to lose? I mean, that's quite a deep statement if you think about it. Are you playing to win or are you not playing to lose? Or are you playing not to lose? If you're playing not to lose, you're going to keep that bounce back loan just in case. If you're playing to win, that's a different thing altogether. You're going to start thinking about how to use it properly, not take stupid risks, and where you can use it in your marketing the best way to make more money back. Anyway, I'll put some more hints and tips about that during the week. And if you want to have a chat with me about it because you're going, oh, I really don't understand what you're talking about, just let me know and we can sort that out. Anyway, until next time, bye.